Hey boo, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Look at these eyes, honey, period. If you want to see how I did this, keep on watching. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and let's get started. Jumping straight into the eye look today, we're going to start off with this beautiful color from the Plain Makeup by Yolanda palette and Beauty by Melissa collab in the color 1-on-1 using my Crown 441 brush. I start off packing this in the crease and kind of letting the color work its way up to the top a little bit on its own. Then we're going in to add a little bit of a pink purple hue with the color I Love It with the same exact brush that I used to apply the 1-on-1 color. Placing this color in the crease. Now for a more deeper effect, I'm going to add a purple color, a pink purple color, a deeper pink purple color in the color Smile from the same exact palette using the same brush, the Crown 441 brush, directly into the crease. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of the orange because we lost it and adding that right back into the eyes. To cut the crease for my halo glitter eye today, I'm going to go ahead and use the Inglot 94 gel liner with my Crown 467 brush. I love this brush so much because of the shape and it's just so precise. Like the tip is kind of like, it's like a triangle shape. So I really love this when I want to get really precise and like really close to get a really precise cut crease. Just make sure you take your time. Don't worry how long you take, just take your time because you're going to be mad when the shape looks all crazy because you rush, you know? Taking my Real Techniques 300 brush to just set the gel liner only because I'm going in with shadow. I'm not going directly in with the pigment initially, so I don't want the shadow to be wet and everything like that. With my Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to go ahead and add Smile to the outer part of the halo eye shape, then bringing back 1-on-1 on top of that. I didn't really like the placement of the shadows initially, so I went ahead and redid it over, added the Inglot gel liner again, and this time I started off with the orange first, and then went ahead with the Smile in the back. It's not like one is better than the other where you work from the outside in or inside out, if you get what I mean, but I just decided to do this today because I just didn't want to like go back and forth with the colors, so I'm like, let me just see how it looks applying the orange first. Going ahead with the J. LaRue pigment directly onto the gel liner that's already there. I wanted a little bit of a blue iridescent background behind the glitter that I'm about to place, so that's why I added this J. LaRue pigment in Blue Light Special. Then going ahead with this beautiful glitter from Bold Leaf Butte in Goat and placing this right on top of where I put the Blue Light Special, but kind of focusing the Goat glitter in the center part of the halo eye. Then going in with the M506 brush I used earlier to eliminate any harsh lines that the glitter created. Of course, lining my eyes with the NYX liner in matte black, just to give the eyes a little bit more of a pop. I just really love how the eyes look with the black liner. I applied these rhinestones from the NYX Sing collection. She's on Instagram, Cosmetics Boutique. Y'all should definitely check this out. I prepped, primed, and applied foundation off camera, so all that information will be down below as far as the products I used. Now I'm going in with my Instapop cheek brush from Real Techniques and just patting out the foundation. With my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Deep, I'm going to go ahead and apply that with my Bdellium 2's 936 brush. If I'm wrong, I'm going to, all the information will be down below anyway, so yeah, if I'm wrong, I'm so sorry. To further conceal a bit more, I went ahead and added and mixed Tan Deep Sand with the deep color that I just used underneath the eye. Using my black opal stick and black walnut, I'm going to go ahead and lightly contour / bronze. I'm going to say bronze because I didn't really mean to contour. I really wanted to give the face more color. I'll definitely describe and demonstrate the difference between contour and bronzer in a few weeks, so definitely turn on post notifications. Blending that out with the Instapop cheek brush, just patting it in. Then I blend out the concealer with the setting brush from Real Techniques, just patting that in, making sure everything is nice and set and smooth and blended. I wanted to add a bit of highlight, so I went ahead and took the Tan Deep Sand only and applied that to the center part of her under eye and kind of carved out her nose to give that snatch look. To set all the places that I did not conceal, I'm going to go ahead and take the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest and patting that out with my Real Technique setting brush. I don't know why it looks pink here. There's no product on it. I don't know why it looks pink. It's probably like the soap didn't wash out something, but it's not affecting the look anyway though. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend out the highlight with the Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Setting the places I did conceal, I'm going to go ahead and take the Mineralized Skin Finish, but in the color Dark Tan. To lightly further set, I'm taking the Crayon Case Chalk Dust in Y and setting this right into everywhere I concealed. So for the under eye, I set and then I bake. Set, then I bake. And I do this with the under eye and the nose because I like having the snatch look, but you'll see when I precisely do the nose with the disposable sponge. Further powder contouring with the Black Opal Contour Palette in Medium Deep, using the left shade. Contouring the nose with a slightly lighter color from the JUVIA'S Warrior 2 palette in Yobi with my Morphe 433 brush. For blush today, I'll be going in with the same Warrior 2 palette in Zama and Jamata with this brush that kind of looks like the Real Techniques setting brush, so you could definitely use that brush. I don't know what this brush is from that I was using. To give her a further snatched look, I'm going to go ahead and lightly pat the Crayon Case setting powder underneath the contour. With my disposable sponge that I got from Beauty Supply, I'm going to go ahead and further set and carve out the nose and the under eyes to give it a snatched look. Prepping for my waterline color, I'm going to go ahead and add the Inglot gel liner. And this is just a white color that I use as base for my shadows. Going in with the same plain Makeup by Yolanda palette in the color Tap. This is a beautiful bright green. It was just a random pop of color choice that I just added. I just wanted to bring the eyes to life even more. You can use the Crown C467 brush for this. I don't know what brush I was using in the video and I don't even know the name of it. Now I'm going ahead and using the color Don't Swipe from the same exact palette. This is a beautiful blue, like a light blue color from the palette. You can also use the Jaclyn Hill brush. The exact brush will be listed down below, but you can also use that brush to apply this because this brush is from like an old eyeshadow palette. Coating the bottom and top lashes with my Benefit Bad Girl mascara. This is a great mascara to be using for both top and bottom lashes because it's so skinny and the bristles are not too long where you mess up and not get every single bottom lash. Making sure I set the outer part of the eye because that can also get easily messed up with tears or anything like that with the Crayon Case powder. I couldn't find my liner today, so I just used the brown color in the same palette that we used earlier, which is called Expensive. For the lips today, I'll be using a product that'll be posted and released very, very, very soon. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm just trying to make corrections and just be perfect with everything like that. But yeah, this beautiful lip color, lip gloss I'll be using today is from my brand. Patting the setter powder in with my beauty blender just to make sure it's melted and everything like that. I'm going to go ahead and use a Dose of Colors Royal Hotness to highlight her today. And of course, for the pop of color in the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and use this white color from the same palette we used earlier in Beat or Regular. Then I'm going to top it off with White Diamonds from J. LaRue Cosmetics. This is a beautiful pigment that has several iridescent specks in it. Setting the face and under eyes with the Ben Eye setting spray to make sure nothing's moving, nothing's going anywhere, nothing like that. We'll just be doing this step that y'all already know I always use. Further going in with the Morphe pink setting spray so I can give her a moisturized look. Then topping it off with the Trophy Wife highlighter from Fenty Beauty. And this is the final look for today. Let me know what you guys think. I hope y'all loved it as much as I did, seriously. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, to share and tell a friend. And let me know if you guys want more dramatic looks like this. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.